Hello folks, it's Friday. Hope everybody's having a good day so far. What we're going to be doing today, let's see, we got water, we got some pickling lime and eggs. We're going to be water glassing eggs. It never fails when your egg or chickens ain't producing many eggs, everybody's wanting your eggs. When you've got tons of eggs coming in, people slack off about buying them. But that there's good in one way. What we're going to do, we're going to show you a method today where you can put them up for 8 months at a time. It's simple. Let me grab it and show you over here. Just a second, folks. I should have had this over here. Pickling lime. You buy it at the grocery store, especially this time of year here, canning season getting ready to start. Well, for long. But it's simple. The recipe for this here, it's 1 ounce by weight. Use little scales or something there. 1 ounce of the pickling lime to 1 quart of water. And it's simple. You just pour it in there. Of course, little Dixie, she's going to be helping us out here with sound effects. Just take you a whisk that up there good. We made this milky solution. Can you see that pretty good, Sue? Alrighty. Dixie, honey.
Now, we made more than 1 quart, though.
Oh yeah, we put in 4 quarts of water. So we use 4 ounces of the pickling lime. Now, this does not have to be kept cold or anything. It'd probably be good to put it in a cool place. But from what we've read and everything, you don't have to. What you do, after you get that there mixed up, you just take your eggs. Make sure they're not store eggs, folks. Make sure they're fresh chicken eggs. Check for cracks. You don't want none with cracks in them. Just try to go through. You don't really want no dirty eggs to put in there. And they will last 8 months. Some people I've heard has pushed it all the way to 2 years. The farthest we've went is 8 months. Just take them there. Place them down inside. And then what Carolyn can do, you can keep adding all the way up as long as you got room in your vessel and do as many as you want. Every day she comes in, she has some good clean looking eggs there. She can just come over to the egg jar here, place them in. By the way, we picked this jar up there. I'd actually got this one for something else, and we thought, well, this would be good for this video here. We got this jar at Walmart. It's a 2.5 gallon jar. Just keep putting your eggs in there, and then, like I say, every day you come in, you just keep adding to it there. And then always your chickens will slow down in the late fall, early winter anyway. And this will give you some eggs to have without having to go buy eggs. Tell you what, I'm going to stand up out of this chair. That way we don't have all the extra sound effects there. But once again, folks, and also they recommend either use distilled water or filtered water. If you're on city water with the chlorine and such, fluoride, they don't recommend using that. We've got a water filter on our faucet. But no. Other than that, that's basically all it is, folks. Anybody can do it. But like I said, just don't use store-bought eggs and look for cracks. You don't want to use any that's got a crack in them.
Make sure you cover it.
Yep. Make sure you cover it up. Alrighty. Folks, hope you all have a great weekend. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. I'm going to try to get that one fermented plant juice started to show y'all how I do that there. You cut that of a morning while the dew is on, so I wrap up in the morning at work hopefully, and Saturday morning we'll try to get that fixed for you. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Y'all stay safe. Lord willing, we'll see you Monday. Thank you for watching.